So today we will discuss about the different kind of the diseases, for example tuberculosis, goiter, cataract, typhoid and jaundice, and the infected part of that particular disease. So first of all, you visit our channel Wisdom Education Point RDC and you can find the different kind of material related to studies. So now we will discuss about the diseases one by one and the infected part of that particular disease and how it spread. So, first disease is tuberculosis. The infected part of that disease is lungs. So, tuberculosis is caused by bacterium. So, tuberculosis is a bacterial infection. So, tuberculosis is caused by bacterium called, the bacteria name is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So, the tuberculosis, it is also called TB. TB is an infection that usually attacks your lungs. So tuberculosis is a disease of lungs. It also spread or also affect the other your body organs, for example your brain and the spinal cord. So whenever a patient having a tuberculosis, it also spread it firstly it affects the lungs, then after that it also spread to brain and spinal cord. So here is the question, how it spread. So tuberculosis is mostly spread by airborne respiratory droplet. So for example, it is spread by cough and sneezing. Whenever a person cough and sneeze, and that person must have covered his or her face. So it is spread by cough and sneezing, and also it is spread by saliva, by kissing and sharing drinks. So clear what is tuberculosis and it is affected part. So next disease we will discuss, that is goiter. Goiter is a disease of thyroid gland. Whenever a person having a iodine deficiency, then it cause goiter. It is commonly developed as a result of iodine deficiency. So you can also see on the TV many ads, the enlargement of the neck, that picture is of about goiter. So goiter is affect the thyroid gland. Whenever a person have a goiter, the symptoms are inflammation of thyroid gland, then swell up of the thyroid gland, or abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland. ठीक है. So iodine deficiency, whenever a person have a iodine deficiency, the symptom is enlargement of the thyroid gland. We can also called it butterfly shaped gland. It is situated in our front side of the neck. So next disease is cataract. Cataract is a disease related to our eyes. So affected part or infected part is eyes during the cataract. So what is a cataract? Cataract is a disease. It is a dense cloudy area that forms in lens of the eye. So it is a cloudiness of the lens of the eye, in the simple words. In Punjabi we can also call it chitta motia. So it affects the eyes. So how it starts? So a cataract begins when protein in the eyes form clumps that prevent the lens from sending clear picture to the retina. We know that the retina make a particular or a clear picture what we see. So whenever the lens is become cloudy due to the protein form clumps, so it means the person suffering from the blurry vision. He or she do not see the clear picture. So next disease is typhoid. So typhoid, it also called enteric fever, typhoid fever or enteric fever. Enteric, if you saw the previous video related to the medical terminology, you clear from this word enteric. It is related to intestine. So typhoid affect the body part, that is intestine, because it is a enteric fever it caused by Salmonella typhi. So it is caused by Salmonella typhi. Whenever a person having typhoid fever, the signs and symptoms are high fever, diarrhea and vomitings. So it also becomes severe whenever the signs and symptoms are become more. The infection pass. So how it spread? So typhoid is spread by the contaminated food and drinking water. So whenever person drink contaminated water or eat contaminated food, so the food comes in the stomach and then sent to the intestine. So here is the intestine. It cause the contaminated food inflammate the intestine. So that's why the signs and symptoms are related to gastrointestinal area, that is high fever, diarrhea and the vomiting. So due to vomiting, the dehydration is also occur. So next disease is jaundice. ठीक है, jaundice पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਪੀਲੀਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, the jaundice is a disease that affect our liver. ठीक है, so liver jaundice. What is the definition of jaundice? Jaundice is caused by buildup of bilirubin, that is a waste material in the blood due to any obstruction in bile duct. So whenever a person have a bilirubin level high in the bloodstream, it cause jaundice. It most common disease in the newborn babies. Whenever the babies take birth, after that jaundice occurs why? Because the bilirubin in the babies is become high, it cause the jaundice. So whenever a person or a newborn baby suffer from jaundice, the jaundice is a condition that causes skin and whites of the eye to turn yellow. ठीक है, so whenever a person have jaundice, the affected part is liver. So the jaundice whenever a bilirubin, that is a waste product of our body, whenever bilirubin increase in our bloodstream, it cause jaundice. So during this disease, the person's skin and the white portion of the eyes is become yellow and the body fluids are also become yellowish. So today we will discuss about the 5 different diseases and the affected part of that particular disease. So you must have seen our previous video or the next video related to this topic. Thank you.